How to hide following and followers list on Threads. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Threads app. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. And once you are here, you have two options to access your following and followers list. You can either click on the followers number list under the bio or on top of the edit profile button, this one right here, or you can click on the globe icon at the top left corner, and from there click on profiles you follow, and you will get to the same previous page. Now, as you can see right here on this followers and following section, we do not have the option to hide the either one of them specifically. Now, as of right now, the only way to hide your followers and following list on the Threads app is to private your account. And you can do this by simply from this profile page right here, click on the globe icon at the top left, and the first option you see, it says private profile. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that asks you if you want to do this, and it tells you what will happen when you private your account. Click on OK to confirm, and as you can see, your profile has now turned into a private one. And by doing this, your following and followers list will automatically be hidden. Keep in mind that this is the only way to do so as of right now, and maybe in the future the Threads app will come up with a solution to only private your following or follower list even if your account is public. Till then, use this way to do so, as it's the only way available. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide and private your following and followers list on Threads. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.